Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey, get out of the car. Get out of the car. Calling the police right now. Calling the police right now.
Let me know down in the comments, what would you do in this situation? Lady claims she's lost.
I'm sorry, no.
Please, I just came from Georgia. Please.
No.
I don't even know my way around.
I apologize, but no.
Please.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Hey, put those back.
Don't forget about your other delivery options. You got P.O. boxes, Amazon lock boxes, and also pickup locations you can stop by on your way from work. Two guys try to get into this car. Luckily, the owner catches them just in time.
Fuck away from my car. Get the fuck away from my car. I already called the police, bitches. Get out of my motherfucking car.
This car stops by to take advantage of this window being down. Good thing a good neighbor was nearby to stop him.
Hey. He just pulled off around the corner in a blue vehicle.
What are you doing on my property?
Let me know down in the comments if you know what this guy's trying to steal. Looks like some type of twine or wire or something. Please be careful out there, ladies, and please consider arming yourself. You never know who's out there watching you. This guy shows up a minute later and starts looking through her windows. Please don't forget to keep those doors locked. This guy just walked right into these people's home. Their reaction is kind of strange, but I could understand they're probably scared. Check this lady out. Seems like she's terrorizing the neighborhood. From what I can translate, it says that she was covering herself in paint. This is two different videos that she's, doing strange activity.
This is Rapid Response Security, person at the front. This is private property being monitored. We'll be dispatching police.
Looks like we're going to start having to chain things down. Can't even have nice patio furniture anymore.
God bless your precious heart. God bless your precious heart. God bless you. God bless your cute ass book. We're in a different age. I'm very sorry. God bless your precious heart. You are beautiful in every single way. World can't get in the way. You are beautiful today. I'm very sorry. I hope you're okay. God bless your heart.
Another friendly reminder to keep those doors locked. I had another video where a lady said all her prescription medication was stolen from her car. Please try not to leave anything of importance in your vehicle just in case.
Yeah, all green, great. Good. Right, all green. Beep, beep, yeah, I see it. All right. Perfect. That's it. You did it. All right. Reset. All right. Now ring the doorbell. That's it. You're in. All right. Let me do the rest.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. I really appreciate you guys getting me to 11,500 subscribers. We're going to keep on going and keep on growing. Please continue to grow with me. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.